Monty, baby, what's Mommy doing today? Yeah, no, 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 that's not for you to play. We're doing this one today. No, baby.
Why don't we just stop pretending? Wait for a second to see where this goes.
Honey, no, no, wait, Monty, please, Monty Cristo. Okay, can't do it, baby. So this is what I'm going to do today. You excited? Are you excited, honey? Yeah. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the black one. We're going to put the twine, and it's going to be an espadrille using this. Let's get to it. Okay, he's kind of upset. Are you upset, baby? Because I didn't let you mess around with my twine? Huh? Are you upset, honey? Don't be. It's going to look pretty cool, okay? Okay, I'm done with this one. Just look how cute it looks. Amazing, isn't it? And this is, where's the other one? This is the before, and this is the after. Before and after. The only thing I wish I would like to do is maybe if I could do a third, but I don't know. I'm going to try, let's see. Okay, baby. I know it's not always about you, honey. Okay, I decided to go for a third row. As you can see, I went for a third row. I'm still gonna, it looks a bit better than the previous one with just two, and up front here I cannot, oh, maybe I could go for a third row here. I don't know. So I went for the third row, and I think it looks pretty cool. Let's see. You like it, honey? So I did go for the third row. I did the third row. You can still clean this from the hot glue. That's not a problem whatsoever. I went for the third row, and this is how it turned out. And it's much better. So what do you think? From this simple one to this one. It's amazing. I think it's so pretty. I think it's so cool. And you have a brand new sandal. I'm not going to say it, but I saw a high-end one, and I did this for the fraction of the price. So this is going to be my summer sandals. Hope you enjoy it, and let's do some more. Let's do some more, baby.